was your 8th grade season of Green Power like?
Well, it was a long time ago, back in 2023, but we went a little something like this. On October 1st, we went to Inspire Academy in Lafayette, Alabama, and placed first overall. On November 4th, we then went to Chocolaca Park in Oxford, Alabama, and placed first overall. Next, we visited Columbus, Georgia to race in the F24 Santa Sprint on December 10th. We placed first overall with a perfect score of 100. On January 20th, we returned to Oxford, Alabama to race in the Oxford Green Prix and received first overall. On February 4th, we skedaddled back to Columbus, Georgia for the Columbus Grand Prix. For the first and only time, we placed second overall. Then, we traveled back to Lafayette, Alabama to participate in the Solve Energy 400. We finished first overall with a perfect score of 100. Finally, we held our own race in LaGrange, Georgia on April 15th. This race was the Diverse Power Grand Prix, and our team placed first overall with a perfect score of 100. This was our third perfect score of the year, an achievement that no other team accomplished. My team was coming off of a 2-time national champion title, and we were looking for our third. In the process of this season, we logged 420 miles. Our dominance on the track was a result of the support of our sponsors.